this video, I will guide you how to fix speaker not working problem on Samsung S24 Fe. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, go to App Library, scroll down and click on Settings app. Now in Setting, click on Notifications and click on Do Not Disturb. If you want to fix this problem, so make sure turn off Do Not Disturb mode. After turn off Do Not Disturb mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to App Library, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management, click on Reset and click on Reset All Settings. Reset settings, enter font pin, click on Continue. Again tap on Reset, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.